Woke up this morning with racks on the dresser. First I was broke, now I live a little better. Fucking the good off the price, make a welder. Extreme sidebar. Got a little last update. Something had failed when I was putting my transmission up. I shifted the rod. Let me explain that. To shift the rod, I got an electric shifter, but it still got to connect to the transmission. So it's a rod that go from the shifter on the inside of the car to the transmission. The rod had failed. I was like, what the fuck? You know, what? Why did that fall? So came to the center of the car, looked at the shifter, little plastic piece just dangling. It wrapped up everything. I think it broke my shifter. Don't know when. I think when I was transporting or whatever. My shifter broke. So guess I gotta go on GA swap the center console and the shifter and all that. So well, you know what I'm doing now. So taking the shifter out or the inside of the car. I can still put my transmission up. It's just 4 bolts that's gonna be on top of the tail shaft for the transmission. I'm gonna have to maneuver through that just to put the shifter in. So I guess I'm gonna take the shifter out of the car while I hunt for another one. Or, like I said, G8 swap it, center console and shifter. So there's another update. Messing with that now. So can't flip the camera, so I'm just gonna have to put it in another video. Yeah. So yeah. I know I already started on it, and I didn't, But yeah, it's an update. Try and get it out. I already broke the 4 bolts on the bottom. I gotta get this out, then get that out. Bear with me, man. Bear with me. Alright, I'm back. Excuse the car. I had to throw everything in here when I had to move my car. Got the other piece out. That piece, whatever we're gonna call it, e-brake cable, whatever. So, 4 bolts was right here. My bad, I ain't mean to blind y'all. 4 bolts was right here. 1, 2, I gotta get that one out. 3. So, yeah, I guess I'm gonna go with the G8 swap like everybody else is doing. Yeah, once I get this last bolt out, might well call it a day, get back on it the next day. Cause they know that I had to open up a can of worms today. In the midst of hunting for a shifter, I don't know. I know I'm gonna wake up early in the morning again. I woke up early today, but I was being lazy. Well, I put a transmission in. It ain't gonna take long. Just put the transmission up. Shit. Okay. I don't know. But yeah. Now it's time to make a decision here. Put the original shifter with another console in it. Or do everybody else doing, put the G8 center console with the shifter and the e-brake. Just options. I still got time. I ain't in a rush putting the car back together. Even though I do miss driving. I do say that. Me and the white ghost had some. Okay. But yeah. But then again, YouTube, I'ma just make a make it some parts into parts. I'm just gonna call it that. So I guess this would be part 1. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think I should do. Alright, YouTube, I got everything out. That's the rod I was talking about. Shifter. This is important. I need to keep this, so this is what I'm gonna have to wire up when I get the commercial shifter. Finally made my mind up on the shifter, but I'm still open to options if y'all wanna, whatever. Shifter, yeah. Well, as you can see, I had to do a little reconstructing to get it out because of him. Like a, But what had caught my attention was when I was putting the transmission in, I had saw, see how that moving, dangling and all that. Well, it was dangling a little further than that, but this caught my attention. It had fell out of the hole. And I'm sitting here looking like, what? So, stopped. That's where a couple of them pauses came in the other last videos on the transmission video. So, now we're talking about the shifter. It's not supposed to be doing that. So, let's see if I can get it off for y'all. That's what was on the inside. It's broke. Like, I don't know how, when, whatever. I was looking like, what happened? Got another can of worms here. I don't know mind that, I have to, but yeah. I just snapped it on. Let me see if I can snap it back off. The little cover, I guess, for the mechanism. Sitting here looking like how, like I didn't, how, just how, I don't understand, like, how did this dude go from here, look weird, well, how did it go from there to that? How? Transmission side, shifter side. How? But enough of that. On to finding a shifter with the center console, because I never had a center console because of it wanted to be a police car. Well, a retired police car. Oh well. Again, how? Like, comment, subscribe, share it, please. And that's him, Big Al, signing out. Woke up this morning with racks on the dresser. First I was broke, now I live a little better. Fucking the good off the price, make a welder.